to change the filter from your compartment. You have one of those filters in the...
Yeah.
How do you take out that?
There should be some screws there. Some screws. That's that? Yeah. Probably, yeah. Take out those tips. Alright, so we're gonna... See, I got this. This is the original one, right? It burned out. It burned out, right? So I gotta change this whole thing. I got a new one, right? I got a new one. I did this. I gotta do this next one over here. So basically, you just put this on one side. One side you put it, and then you get your pliers, and you press on one side only till you put the other side. So I got this at AutoZone. I went to auto repairs and they said they will change it for me for $35. I bought this for $15, and I like to do it myself too, you know. It's an experience that I always like to take and check it out. So basically I gotta do the same thing. I gotta cut this part right here and then connect it with this. Alright guys? Done. I got this one done. I gotta get this other one done. Don't go too far because it won't go inside too much. You only need it a little bit. All you need is a little bit. Alright, so this one is done. There you go, guys. Guys, thumbs up, guys. Make sure you like this video. It's working. It's working. It's working. Toyota, on the Toyota Avalon. It burned the other one, and I fixed it with the other guy. Charged me $35. It was like a few months ago. And now this one burned. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it myself. Because I always like to do, you know, even though I never did it before, right? It's so easy, man. So that's it. Peace out, guys.